This is unit 4. Nice high ceilings, looks out to Beacon Street here. Decorative fireplace. A little alcove for a desk, office space. Nice hardwood floors. And you enter into a foyer here. And there's a closet in here. And then down the hall on the right is the bathroom. And the kitchen. Renovated kitchen with dishwasher. Full-size refrigerator, and lots of cabinetry space. And then you walk into the bedroom, and this will overlook an alleyway. Nice high ceilings. AC unit comes with. Recessed lighting. And this is a huge bedroom. The closet is over here.